We are working on a dense mirroring mode where when we draw this green section here, this whole pattern should emerge. Let's look at the code. So in the top level constant macros, we have retroactively removed 3 points of code from here. Don't worry about it too much. In the editor game section, we have changed this set of flags, the XY mirroring, and whether or not we're in dense mode, we've set it to binary 111, which is 7. And in the mermaid function section, we have a function to rotate the internals of our auto tile clockwise, and then a no-op rotation function here. We're going to use that down here in the bilateral mirroring function for our mirror brush. And down here, we now have a rotate AM6 function pointer in addition to this mirror AM6. If mirroring of the internals is turned on, we're actually going to use the rotation function. Otherwise, if it's turned off, we're going to use our no-op rotation function. In the bilateral mirroring triply nested loop, we have done some kitty corner dense code. We're going to calculate the normal kitty corner coordinate, and then we're going to rotate it counterclockwise to complement mirroring the internals of the tile clockwise. There's a gear relationship between the tiles and the metastructure. We're going to get the next linear index for our triply paired array of plot points and tile value, and then we're going to increment the length of the triply paired array. So we're loading a plot point. Here's a little diagram to explain what we're up to, and then here's what we did previously, and here are some footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. If you want a longer explanation, you need to go here, you are here, source code is here, email me here, like, subscribe, send money.